Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Porsche 911. First, you'll need to acquire all the necessary parts, from the chassis to the smallest bolt. Planning your build meticulously is crucial for success, ensuring you have a clear sequence of steps. Specialized tools, like torque wrenches and engine hoists, are indispensable for precise and safe assembly. This initial preparation lays the groundwork for a rewarding project. Next, focus on the core structure. Begin by assembling the chassis, which forms the backbone of your vehicle. This step demands accuracy to ensure structural integrity. Then, carefully install the engine, making sure it's perfectly aligned for optimal weight distribution and performance. Finally, connect the transmission, ensuring all linkages are secure and properly adjusted for smooth gear changes. Now it's time to bring your Porsche to life with the interior and exterior. Install the seats, dashboard, and trim pieces to create a comfortable and functional cabin. Next, meticulously fit the exterior body panels, ensuring perfect gaps and alignment for that iconic look. Don't forget the electrical systems. Carefully wire the lights, gauges, and infotainment for full functionality. Finally, perform comprehensive checks before hitting the road. Verify all systems, from brakes to steering, are operating perfectly. Top off all fluids like oil and coolant, and ensure tire pressures are set to the recommended levels. A final inspection for any loose connections or leaks is essential. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.